You've probably noticed duck here, and it quacked just when I finished. What? You have the spritzing bottle. I'll move you out of the way. Maybe here. So I've noticed some baby mushrooms at the very corner. Is that amazing? There's some over there if you go a little bit sideways. And there's some back here. Some over here and here. There's mushrooms everywhere, really. There's a big mushroom in the centre, and that was when I knocked the dirt. It's been getting more water ever since. It does look kind of squished, though. That's the bad thing. So I'm going to start spritzing. Shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake. Okay. Hope it doesn't turn. Come on. So I'll see you tomorrow with the. Well, I'll see you later on in the day, probably after lunch. Like Ethan does growing mushroom, spritzing day 3. Bye. So I'm just going to be open the box lid. So we're going to be keeping the lid off forever now, just because the mushrooms have started growing, and they won't be able to grow on this box lid. So I'm going to start spritzing. Shake, shake, shake. Hope it doesn't move. I have noticed at the bottom corner there is a bloomer. A mushroom that has started to grow. That should be enough. So I almost put the lid on back. So I'll see you next time that Ethan does growing mushrooms. For later on in the day. Bye! Spritzing the mushrooms. I'm going to spritz, but there is some brown things that I don't know what they are. So that's something new for me. So I'm just going to start to spritz. So I'll start spritzing. That's about so I'm going to see you tomorrow for Ethan does growing mushrooms. So be excited for the next update.